It's recording now.
I'm here to talk about amino acids as a small part of helping you obtain your fitness goals. It's more along the dieting end. You have the workout end. You have the getting into the gym or getting running every day. But the dieting end is the most neglected part of anyone's fitness program. They usually try to cut calories or deprive themselves of nutrients that they're going to need to recover and grow in the areas that they want. Most people, when they look at what they want to accomplish in their fitness regimen, they want to change the composition of their bodies. They want more muscle, less fat, not necessarily trying to gain weight or lose weight. And paying attention to the amino acids is going to help you concentrate on adding muscle without changing your body weight and making you look the way you want to look. There's 21 amino acids. 8 of them are considered essential. You have to eat them, otherwise your body will not synthesize them on their own. 13 are non-essential, meaning your body makes them, but when you work out, they become conditionally essential in that you need to take more than you usually do. The ones I want to focus on are arginine, glutamine, and branched-chain amino acids, isoleucine, leucine, and valine. Arginine is your cardiovascular support amino acid. It is the only amino acid that regulates the transportation, storage, and excretion and metabolism of nitrogen. Helps remove ammonia, which is a byproduct of muscle metabolism, out of your muscles into your kidneys to be excreted as urine. It also regulates your nitrogen oxide levels. What nitrogen oxide does when your body undergoes stress, your veins dilate and your arteries dilate so that more blood can be delivered to the affected regions, which is extremely important when you're trying to build muscle or build any type of, eliminate soreness and other functions. Aside, it helps with human growth hormone production. It's going to help your bones grow. It's going to help your tissues grow, your everything. Works closely with ornithine to produce this effect. It's responsible for tissue repair and recovery. Plays a large part in reducing your fat, just changing your composition, and helps you maintain more muscle mass. The second amino acid I want to focus on was glutamine. When you exercise, your body is shocked. Your immune system is where the shock takes place. That's why if you don't cool down after you work out, you'll get sick. Well, what happens is your body catabolizes your muscles to get the glutamine that is stored in them to supplement your immune system. And by taking glutamine, you can actually prevent this process from taking place and protect your gains from loss. Aside from that, glutamine plays a part in increasing human growth hormone as well. Next amino acid and last one, probably the most important, is the branched-chain amino acids. There's 3 of them, valine, isoleucine, and leucine. You have to take them in proportion to each other and at once, because without the other ones will not function. Think of your muscles as 33% branched-chain amino acids. When you exercise, it is the first energy source that your body uses to get the energy it needs to do whatever exercise you're doing. So this depleted first, it has to be replaced first, otherwise your body will continue to break down more muscle in order to get more branched-chain amino acids. Branched-chain amino acids play an important role with insulin in getting your heart to beat harder, and through that insulin production, increasing protein synthesis, which actually builds muscle. So think of your branched-chain amino acids as muscle and building muscle. Individually, isoleucine helps with red blood cell formation. Leucine and valine help with alertness. So there's other benefits to supplementing with them aside from just muscles. Any attempt to become more physically fit is going to take a commitment. You have to be intentional about it. You have to put in the effort. And where, again, people make the mistake is they don't put the thought into what they eat. They think that starving is going to make it work. It don't work. You have to eat better, put more thought into the working out that you do, and exert yourself. The key to keep yourself from burning out is just try not to enjoy yourself. Do it because you like to do it. Pay attention to what's going to get you the results, because when you get results, you get the encouragement you need to continue. And just know your goals. And again, amino acids will play a complementary part in helping you attain your goals and achieve results that you want. Any questions?
Yeah, question number 1. What is the nature of the chemical structure of amino acids?
Amino acids are called amino acids because they have an amine group, NH2, attached to a carbon chain. Individually, each amino acid has actually 2 pairs. They have a right and a left, in that you can flip it and they won't be able to be superimposed on top of each other. So their chemical nature, how that affects the chemistry, is they can exist in acid and basic conditions, and it can actually morph, and it's a very complicated chemistry that's in general. Any more?
Yeah, question 2. What do amino acids do for the human body?
Amino acids regulate your life processes. So right now, your body's breaking down bone, breaking down muscle, building bone, building muscle. You have neurotransmitters, so your vision, anything that involves your nervous system, your amino acids are actually almost entirely responsible for all that activity. And again, like in the arginine, it regulates nitrogen exclusively, and other amino acids regulate serotonin or any of your other hormones. So think hormones, neurotransmitters, and life processes, and that's mostly what the amino acids regulate.
Thank you.